Have you ever truly paused to think about the way our planet moves through space? You might picture the Earth spinning on its axis, creating day and night, or orbiting the Sun in its year-long cycle. But what if I told you that these familiar motions are just the beginning? Earth is part of a far grander odyssey, one that carries us through the infinite expanse of the cosmos. Join us as we uncover the magnificent layered journey of our planet, exploring how it spins, orbits, and moves at blistering speeds through the universe, in what can only be described as a cosmic ballet. Let's begin with the motions we're all most familiar with: Earth's daily rotation and yearly orbit. These are the first steps of the journey, the stages that define life as we know it. Every single day, Earth spins on its axis at a speed of about 1,670 kilometers per hour. Imagine standing on the equator where you're traveling this fast without even noticing it. This rotation is what gives us day and night. But it isn't just spinning, we're tilted too. Earth's axis leans at a 23.5-degree angle, which is why we experience seasons as the planet orbits the Sun. Speaking of orbiting, Earth travels around the Sun in an elliptical path, completing one full trip every 365.25 days. This orbital speed is astonishing as well, about 107,000 kilometers per hour. Together, this motion creates a dynamic duo. Rotation drives day and night, while orbit regulates the seasons and the timing of years. But even this elegant system barely scratches the surface of the story. As Earth orbits the Sun, our entire solar system is also on the move. The Sun isn't stationary. It's hurtling through space at approximately 828,000 kilometers per hour, dragging all the planets, moons, and other bodies along with it. Picture a swirling spiral. As the Sun pulls us through the galaxy, the Earth's orbit around it creates a coiling path that never traces the same line twice. But where exactly is the Sun taking us? The solar system is on a voyage through the Milky Way, orbiting around the galactic center in a massive curve. Fun fact, it takes our solar system around 250 million years to complete just one orbit of the Milky Way. During that time, Earth is journeying through different regions of space, exposed to varying cosmic phenomena like magnetic fields and charged particles. Keep in mind that this motion isn't chaotic. It's governed by the gravitational forces of the Sun, the Milky Way's center, and countless other celestial influences. The journey of Earth, and by extension, all of us, becomes part of a larger interstellar dance. Let's zoom out and see where Earth's epic journey continues. While the solar system orbits the galactic center, the galaxy itself is in motion. You could think of the Milky Way as an enormous ship, carrying billions of stars, planets, and solar systems through the universe. But where is it heading? The Milky Way is part of a local cluster of galaxies which are gravitationally linked. Our galaxy is on a trajectory toward one of its nearest neighbors, the Andromeda Galaxy, and scientists predict they will eventually collide in about 5 billion years. Before that, the two galaxies continue their intertwined paths, influencing each other's motions. On an even grander scale, all the galaxies in our local cluster are moving together toward a point in space called the Great Attractor. This mysterious region, located about 150 million light-years away, emits a powerful gravitational pull on everything around it. What lies there is largely unknown. It may contain densely packed matter or concentrations of dark matter, but what's certain is that its impact on the Milky Way is profound, and along for the ride, Earth, naturally. The influence of the Great Attractor is just one piece of the puzzle. Within the vastness of space, countless forces dictate the motions of celestial bodies. Most of the visible mass in the universe, from stars to galaxies, contributes gravitationally. But there's an unseen player here: dark matter. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, and while we can't see it or directly measure it, we know it exerts a gravitational influence on visible matter. This unseen material contributes to the formation and motion of galaxies and galaxy clusters. In fact, much of what shapes the journey of the Milky Way and its neighbors likely stems from the gravitational effects of dark matter. The Great Attractor acts as a focal point, with enormous tracts of space-time bending toward it. This immense gravitational pull guides the Milky Way, our solar system, and planet Earth on a spectacular spiral-like journey through the universe. These forces transform what might seem like random movements into an intricate and precisely choreographed dance. Let's pause and appreciate the layers of motion that Earth experiences. Our planet spins on its axis, orbits the sun, spirals along with the solar system through the Milky Way, and flows as part of the Milky Way's journey toward the Great Attractor. If you could step far enough back, visualize this as a majestic dance. Earth's motion isn't a solitary act, it's an interwoven part of an elegant cosmic ballet. Without these movements, regulated by gravity and the energy of the universe, our existence would be impossible. They've shaped the conditions necessary for life and continue to influence the stability of our planet. Einstein's theory of general relativity gives us a framework to understand parts of this dance. Gravity, as Einstein described, isn't just a force, it's the curvature of space-time itself. Earth's epic journey, then, follows the curves and bends of the universe, making our everyday environment possible. Earth's movement through the cosmos isn't just a scientific marvel, it connects directly to our existence. The spinning and orbiting create natural cycles like day, night, and the seasons. Meanwhile, its larger journey through galactic space affects everything from cosmic radiation exposure to the long-term environment of our solar system. This journey also reminds us how fragile and unique our planet is. In the infinite void, Earth is a small, spinning marvel, perfectly situated far from the destructive forces of supernovae or black holes. Our galaxy's intricate placement and motion allow our solar system to thrive in a relatively calm region of space. But beyond the scientific implications, this journey inspires something greater, a sense of wonder. Thinking about the vastness of time and space, and Earth's place within it, can lead us to new perspectives about our role as inhabitants of this extraordinary planet. As we come to the end of this journey, let's reflect on what we've learned. Earth isn't just a spinning rock hurtling through space, it's a cosmic traveler, taking part in an immense multi-level expedition. From its rotation in orbit to the solar system's spiraling trajectory through the Milky Way and our journey toward the Great Attractor, the interconnectedness of our movements reveals the stunning complexity of the universe. This new perspective invites us to ask even deeper questions about our place in the cosmos. What other forces are pulling on our planet? What mysteries still remain about dark matter, the Great Attractor, or the deepest reaches of space? One thing is for sure. The more we understand Earth's journey, the more extraordinary our home becomes. We may be small in the grand scope of the universe, but our movements are part of a beautiful, endless dance. So the next time you look up at the stars, take a moment to imagine Earth's epic voyage. We're not just standing still in this vast expanse, we're explorers on an incredible odyssey traveling through the infinite cosmos.